Changing your username on Skyscanner is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Skyscanner website or app and log in using your current username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find username option. In the account settings menu, look for the option that allows you to edit your username. This may be listed under profile or account information. Step 4. Enter your username. Click on the edit option and enter your desired new username. Make sure it meets any specified requirements such as character limits or uniqueness. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for a save or confirm button to apply the changes. You may receive a confirmation message once the update is successful. Once you've completed these steps, your Skyscanner username will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Skyscanner's customer support for assistance.